Okay, Cushman update, brake rebuild. And we bought a battery. New parts. Lots of new parts. Lots of very expensive new parts. That's the US price. Once I got it at my door, we're looking at $700. Here's some of the old stuff here. Dual cylinders, brake pads, absolutely shot. No chance of fixing that, using that. Unfortunately, we also had one brake drum, has a big cut in it. Had to replace that. Luckily, the hubs were okay, and we're able to save these other parts, which are unobtainable. We were able to save this one brake drum and buy this one new one. And yeah, I painted them red because any hot rod deserves red brake drums. Everyone knows that. So we've got one side put back together here now. Putting them back together was hard, but getting apart was really hard. I had to use heat and stuff to get some of the bolts out. Really rusted. We're able to clean it up. Got the new parts in there. This side is ready to get buttoned up and get the tire back. So pretty soon we'll should be ready for a test drive. And we will be able to go and we will be able to stop. And it will be a good thing. So hopefully might make another video of putting the battery in and stuff, but hopefully the next video is going to be test drive. Episode 5 update on the Cushman brake rebuild.